Hello, in previous videos we studied that variables are basically containers that used to store value, and without variables we cannot perform functions. So in order to do any task we need to use variables, and when we declare variables we need to specify its data type and its name of variable. So all variable names must be unique, and they are known as identifiers, and basically we use variables based on their names, so their names must be unique. We can use short names like x and y, as we assign our previous examples like this. We can say that int x or int y. Similarly, names can be more descriptive of like age, sum and total. In professional practices, we recommend that you should use descriptive names in order to understand code easily. Here is an example where I've used int minutes per hour equal to 60, and it's name of variable, or it's an identifier, and it is descriptive, which is easily telling about that what we are saving in this variable. And here I have used int m is equal to 60. It is okay, but it is difficult to understand later on. So there are general rules for constructing names for variables. A name can contain letters, digits and underscores, but it must begin with a letter and underscore. It means that if I declare any variable like int 1, 2, 3 age, so it will give an error, because I cannot the name of identifier cannot be start from a number. It can only start from alphabet or from underscore. So always remember that when you name your variable, it cannot be start from any digit. It must start from the letter or underscore, but it can contain digit. If I write like this, it's a correct name because it started from underscore. And names of variables are case sensitive. What does that it means? If we write my var as a name of identifier, and here v is capital, and I assign value, I use this, then it takes this as two variables. So always remember that if you are writing your identifier names in upper cases, then you need to use in uppercase throughout your program. And names cannot contain white spaces or special characters like this. Only they can contain the letter, digit or underscore. And names cannot be consist of keywords. For example, in float, double, string, if, while, that are these are all reserved words, so we cannot use reserved word as a variable name. So always remember, when you use variable names, try to make it more descriptive, then it will be your code will more be easy to understand. And always remember these rules that I've told you when you name your variable. Thank you so much. If you're new on this channel, please make sure to subscribe this channel and like this video and share with your friends. And next videos we will study more concepts about C++. Thank you so much.